Hey everyone! Today, we're taking a deep dive into the most powerful tool in the ASBR Tech ecosystem, CertQuest. CertQuest isn't just another practice site. It's a precision-engineered platform designed to bridge the gap between learning and passing. We've partnered with the tech giants. From Microsoft and Cisco to Palo Alto and AWS, we cover the 9 major vendors that define the industry. That's over 1,500 meticulously crafted questions across 28 of the most in-demand exams in tech today. With detailed explanations for every answer, CertQuest turns every mistake into a learning moment. And for those on the cutting edge, our AI tracks, like the Azure AI Agent Developer exam, are ready to take your career into the future. Let's be clear. These are not exam dumps. Every question is mapped to the official syllabus to ensure you actually master the material. Stop guessing and start certifying. Head over to ASBR Tech and start your CertQuest today.